In today's video, we're going to install a Capri Tools vise. This is a pretty premium vise. All of you guys out there that have a shop of your own, maybe you just have a garage and a workbench and you need a vise, but you don't want to buy some cheap crap. You want to have a really good quality vise. Something with good clamping force, with some weight, maybe something with an anvil on it. That's what I needed. So I recently replaced my Rockwell Bench Jaw. I really like that product, but they discontinued it years ago, and I had two bases for it so I could move it from one end of the shop to the other because I have multiple workbenches. And I really like that utility, but at the end of the day, it wasn't strong enough. It didn't have very good clamping force. I reached out to my friends at Capri Tools and I told them I was looking for a replacement. And I did a lot of research before I purchased this. I looked at Fireball Tool. That one was just way out of my budget. I looked at Wilton vices. Of course, I also looked at Harbor Freight because I think they have some decent value stuff. I also looked at Olsa tools. While Capri Tools is a channel sponsor of mine, and in full disclosure, they did send me this vise for free, I want everyone to know that I've loved this brand before they were a sponsor, and I still buy things from them. They want people, even obscure YouTubers like myself, they want honest reviews of their product. And that's why I fully endorse this product. So let's go ahead and show you guys how I installed this, and then we'll have a few thoughts at the end. One thing that I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to get new soft jaws. These are from my previous vise. I would feel better if I had ones that went the full width of the jaw. Now this thing is pretty beefy. It is absolutely massive. I think it's like 90,000 PSI steel or something insane. It's so beefy and secure that I'm going to have to figure out a way to anchor the workbench to the wall because it's just, this thing is so much stronger than the other vise. My bench jaw would bend, and this doesn't do that. So it's such a solid anchoring, and this stuff doesn't flex at all, that it actually pulls the workbench out or tilts the workbench. Another thing I really like about this vise is it has pipe jaws built in, and they're very securely mounted on there, and they're all replaceable. You can see in here that we've got an Allen key, just like we do here on the jaws. So these can also be replaced, whereas a lot of vices, these aren't replaceable. This thing is a killer value. I highly recommend it. I'm gonna get some more use on it before I do a super deep dive review on it, but you're gonna see this in a lot of videos, just like you saw the bench jaw from Rockwell in a lot of my previous videos. I can't wait to use it. I can't wait to abuse it and let you guys know how it holds up. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.